Hello, boys and girls. Right now, you should be on this screen where you would complete your math assignment. I will give you a quick tutorial that will help you go through the site very smoothly. Click on the link here. It should take you to IXL website and put in the username which Miss Richard Jones emailed to your parents and the password and sign in. You should see your name here. Welcome. And then you're going to click on Math, go all the way down to Q, add and subtract fractions with like denominators, and we will click on lesson 8. This computer is a bit slow, and we are going to add fractions using the number line. Okay, add and subtract fractions using the number line. So you are looking at this number line and putting the information here. Look at the arrow, what direction it's going. So I'm going to put 2 here because I'm moving away from 2 over 3 and I'm subtracting what? 1 over 3. So I'm going to put 1 up here. And then what's my answer? I'm ending up on 1 over 3. I'm going to put 1 here and submit. All right, so you continue this exercise, and when you're done, click on math and go back all the way down, same place, but this time you're going to do lesson 9, which is addition and subtraction, but this time you are not going to have a number line to help you. All right, first you're going to put on your goggles, and you don't really have to do that because all of them have the same denominator, but you always have to put on your goggles, look at the denominators. If they are the same, then you know you're going to leave it the same and you're going to add the numerator. 2 plus 1 is 3, and you put a forward slash for the fraction, and you put your 4 and submit. Okay, so you do this, complete it, and then we'll return to the classroom chat and we will discuss what you've done. Thank you.